All right, guys, I just want to make this quick video here for you. This is going to save you tons of money, okay? It's not always your transmission, and I'll show you why. So my car, or my friend's car that I was helping fix, had this code here. Where's the code at? Here it is. P0110 air temperature sensor circuit failure. It recommended me to replace the mass airflow sensor. Okay. What I did on this car, it was jerking. It was having. It basically went into limp mode. Okay. It went into limp mode. So what I did on this car was I changed out the mass airflow sensor right here. This piece right here, mass airflow sensor. I changed the mass airflow sensor out, and guys, believe it or not, so you can let go. It did all the symptoms a bad transmission would do. Basically, went into limp mode, had erratic gear switches, and it didn't want to go past 4 RPMs. It would hit 80 miles per hour, but it wouldn't go past 4 RPMs. So anytime, even if I was in first gear, it wouldn't go past 4 RPMs. I took it to a mechanic. A mechanic told me that it was basically a bad transmission, that I had to change the transmission. This car only has 80,000 miles. So I was like, dude, no way. Let me just fix my check engine light. It had a service engine light, and I just pulled up the code. It was P0110. And it was an air temperature issue that it wasn't reading correctly. Once I swapped it, guys, it started shifting smooth. So save yourself some money. If you have a service engine code along with a mass airflow sensor and you're having erratic gear shifting, change out the mass airflow sensor. All right, guys, it'll save you tons of money. Until next time, have a good night.